Hello and welcome. We are some weeks away from the third annual Strum in the Desert event. So, a few years ago, I started putting on my own private music festival. And when I first put it out there, I had no idea if any tickets were going to sell. Not because I didn't think that people would want to come out to a strumming event, but I'm hosting it in my hometown. And if you're from a small town, you know that feeling of thinking people will never come to a little town. Like, what would they come here for? To my surprise, we had like 45 people come. We had artists from South America and Europe come as well to be the talent and the teachers. That was the first year. And my mom cooked for the event because she's an incredible cook and Mexican food is amazing. And we had like friends and cousins and other musicians that I knew come to the event and perform and put on just a really good time. And so we decided to do it again this year. And we hosted it like at a nicer venue. And it was a really fun event again. I thought, okay, I would probably just do this once or twice. But in seeing that a lot of the people who went to the first event went to the second one, it made me oh, by the way, we also hosted like an extension of it in the Netherlands, Strum in the Netherlands. And then we did another one, Strum in the True North in Vancouver. Those were through the help of people who were at those locations who were able to do a big part of the work, which is to find the venue and help with the organization of the event. But now I'm planning the third one, and that's going to be on February 1st, 2025. So when you arrive on Thursday, we're going to do a jam session. I'm preparing these binders full of sheet music so that we'll all have the same sheet music and we'll play through music together. It's going to be great because we'll get to see each other, we'll get to bond. On Friday, we're doing a potluck and an open mic. So you don't have to perform if you don't want to, but if you've always wanted to perform and you want to do it in a really safe place with other people who are on this musical journey, just like you are, then that's the best place. Now, if you're thinking, I won't have a place to cook like for the potluck, it's okay. Like you can go to a deli, the deli of a store and grab something or bring a box of cookies. Anything is fine. We did this last time and there was so much food. There was too much food. So don't worry about that too much. And then on Saturday, it's the main event. So from 9 to 5, you're going to be at the main event with, I've hired a professional photographer. He did the last two events and he's just so talented at what he does. So I've hired the same photographer, especially because I want someone that understands not only our community, but the goal, which is to just have a beautiful event where we get to share and make beautiful memories. So from 9 to 5, we're going to have the photographer. We're going to have artists. So far, Gaby from the Netherlands, she is an incredible ukulele teacher. One of her workshops sold out for the Dutch Uke Day. She's just a really great teacher. And last year, she had one of the favorite workshops. So she's coming back. And we're going to have Yoshi from Japan. She's coming as well. And she led a workshop in Vancouver that was super popular. So she's coming back for that. And then we're going to have a brand new teacher named Nolan. So he's been teaching privately and he's an incredible performer. And I'm so excited that he's going to do this workshop with us. I will also be there. I will be teaching. And the event, we will provide beverages all day so you won't be thirsty. And we'll provide a catered lunch and dinner as well. And there'll be snacks all day too. So I will link the tickets down below so that you can not only just buy the ticket, but also learn more about the event. I have added information about where is a good place to stay. Now, if you're thinking, I'm alone, I don't have a car, what do I do? So we have a group chat right now on Telegram, and I'll add that down below as well. I'm currently in the planning phase of this event, and I would love to see more people sign up for it. So we already have a full class, which is great, but the more the merrier. And when you sign up to come, what do you get? So you'll get a t-shirt in your size, so make sure you select your size. And then I'll get to find out whether you eat beef more or chicken more or you're veggie, because I need to know that for the planning of the food. And then I will also ask you how you want your name to appear on your badge, and then which town, city, or country you'd like to represent, because we're going to add those on the badges. We've just had people from all over the place represented before, and so that was a really fun part of the event to see where people are from. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. And if you cannot attend the Strum in the Desert this upcoming year, there's another event where I will be, and that's the LA Uke Fest, and that's going to be in Torrance, California. That's September. I'm forgetting the date, but I will put it on the screen right now. So I'll be at the LA Uke Fest. The LA Uke Fest is not sponsored by me. It's not an event that I put on. I'm just one of the artists that has been invited to attend there. Honestly, what we did this past year is that people came to both Strum in the Desert and the LA Uke Fest, or Strum in the True North and LA Uke Fest, and it's really fun to get to know each other more through the more events we attend together. So you have that option as well. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you at Strum in the Desert. It's going to be so fun. And if you're traveling and you don't want to bring your ukulele with you, just let me know ahead of time, and I'll have a ukulele that you can borrow here, because I know that traveling with our instruments can put us in a very vulnerable position. So you don't have to travel with an instrument if you feel on the fence, or if you're thinking you might want to buy one when you're here, because I'll have some for sale. That's an option for you too. So think about it, ask questions, join the group chat, and I will hopefully see you at Strum in the Desert. Ciao!